Hey everybody, I'm Travis Guillory here in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. How's it going?
Good, thank you.
You know, I'm a little full from Thanksgiving, so probably to shift back to some healthier options. So I'm glad you're here. And you know, a lot of holiday parties that people are going to go to safely, of course, that you might just need something a little bit healthier than regular chips and dip or something like that. So what are we going to make today?
Okay, so yes, we are going to go vegetable heavy today. We're going to make a dip. Maybe you're going to be going to some holiday parties, like you said, and you want to take something that's a little bit healthier. At least you know there's going to be one thing there that you can eat, okay?
One thing you can actually...
One thing. Okay, so this is an avocado walnut dip and has a lot of fiber because of the avocado, and it also has green peas. So you can do this in a bowl with a pastry blender or a potato masher like we're going to do, but even better if you have a food processor and you want to make it really, really creamy, that is a wonderful way to do it too. Okay, so we have our green peas, avocado, walnuts or pecans, some sort of nut, garlic, fresh parsley. These are all just gonna go in here and they're gonna get, like I said, mashed together. Salt, a little bit of salt, a little bit of dried basil, and some chili flakes.
Okay.
And cheap tip, I do like to save the chili flake packets from pizza.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, and hang on to those.
You never need a big old thing of it. You need just a little bit of,
just a little bit.
That's smart.
And some lemon juice. And then this is just going to take a little elbow grease, a little manpower. So you can use a pastry blender or you can use a potato masher, and you're just going to mash, mash, mash until this is the consistency that you want it.
Could you also, I mean, for folks that don't have these kind of things, I mean, maybe use like a big fork or something just to kind of mash things down? I mean, some other alternatives to that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you could definitely do that. You could use a fork. Make sure our avocado is maybe not quite as soft as we would want it to be, so it's not mashing super nicely, but it's doing the job.
It's doing what it got to do.
Yes. Yes. So once this is now nicely mashed and it's a thick paste like we have right over here.
And I think it's so cool. I don't know why I never thought of it, but not using chips, using more vegetables.
Some vegetables, sure.
In place of the chip. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, wow.
Right.
That's nice for a party right there. So, I mean, just a very few ingredients kind of all mashed together, and of course measuring the salt and the other things you put in it. Because I think with things like this, people just want to sprinkle that salt and put those spices in there, but you want to kind of limit that and hold back a little bit.
Right, follow the recipe.
Absolutely. Speaking of recipe, those are all on our website, kjrh.com. Everything we make here in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen is over on kjrh.com. So if you want to learn about this or anything else that you've seen here in this kitchen, head over to our website for all those recipes. Thanks for coming in for us today.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.